All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And I have some concern. I don't know what is happening in Honduras with the Reggae Boys in regards to the conditions that the guys are under. Because I got some video clippings this morning, and I was surprised of the conditions that they are training under. Basically a co-pastor. The boys are basically training a co-pastor. I'm like, and then now, information is that the team that they're going to be playing against later is training right next door to them. I have the video. I have some video clips. These video clips were done by Kerry James. He was the one who the clips. He posted the clips on his story. That's where I got the clips from. But big up Kerry for highlighting these aspects of what's happening behind the scenes. But I don't know. As he said in the video, it seems that Concacaf doesn't really take this commission serious. There's a lot of planning didn't really put in place with this. As you know, as it stands, the fixtures has changed. Let me see if I can bring that up for you guys. The fixtures have changed, and the time where the games will be played have now been changed as well. So that's something that we should most definitely look into as well. So let me see if I can. I'm trying to get it up right now, so you guys can see. So guys, in the meantime, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash the like button, people. Hit the like button, people, so that I can get the video up over. Let's get it over to 100 likes. Let's get it over 100 likes, people. I don't think that's difficult to do. I really don't believe that's difficult to do. Okay, so I'm getting up the stuff right now so you guys can see. As I said, people, in the meantime, let me show you something. Let me show you the conditions under which the Reggae Boys are going to be are training under. These are the conditions. Let me turn off the music so you guys can hear what's happening. So most definitely for me, I find this pretty much disappointing. I find it really disappointing. Let me fix that. Get this up a bit larger. Let me move the banner. Let me let that banner come out of the way. So I'm gonna play, people. So I want you guys to look. All right. So, all right. So let's get it now.
I think Concacaf took this tournament for a joke. Training in a cow pasture. I think Concacaf.
So these are the conditions that the boys are actually underway in regards to training right now. These are the conditions. So in the meantime, let me read. I'm going to read the. Let me put that on mute. So whilst that play, I'm going to read the what's happening in regards to the change of fixtures due to the rainy conditions. So this is the update. This is the update that came out. No, I'm going to bring you guys over to that. So we can move away from that aspect of where the boys are training now. Let's have a look at the changes that took place. Let's see if we can run through that quickly, because this will definitely not be a long one. All right, so on attention, Concacaf announcement. So hopefully you guys are seeing it clearly. Let me see if I can put it up just a notch. Good. I do believe that you guys must can see that now. All right, so let's get it. Concacaf announced update match schedule for 2022 Concacaf Under-20 Championship, Miami, Florida. Concacaf have announced that an update match schedule for the 2022 Concacaf Under-20 Championship currently taking place in Honduras. The city of San Pedro Sula has been affected by heavy rainfall over the last week. Taking this into account, as well as the current conditions of the playing surface as Estadio Morazan, Concacaf and local organizing committee have made the decision to relocate a number of the matches to Estadio Yankel Rosentel and Estadio Olimpiaco Metropolitano. The update, as you can see, the update match schedule is there. The group stages 2022 kicks off on June 18 and will run through June 23rd. Yeah, we already, well, tomorrow is the last day. At conclusion of the round robin play, the top 3 teams in each, I don't need to really run through any of that. The most important thing is that they have now moved the fixtures from the stadium where we all were complaining about in regards to the conditions, and move it to a better one. I'm hoping that in the event that movement caused the players to, I think, relocate, that would cause the relocation of the training facilities, and that's where they end up now, in that cow pasture looking place. Like, and it's really sad to know that these are the conditions that the players would have to undergo in regards to getting themselves ready for a match day like scenario. And it's bad. It's really, really bad. I'm really wondering if Concacaf did actually do some investigation on how this thing would pan out just before kicking off. Let me move away from this. I'm going to show you guys some the rescheduled fixtures. This is it. So today would be San Paulo Sula. Okay, this is it. Costa Rica versus Jamaica. All right, so the match time has moved to 1300 Jamaican time, 1500. I think that's Eastern time, I believe. Yeah. So that's what the major impact it has made. So significantly, quite a few of the times. I don't really need to name out the other times, but these are the times that has been changed to. So it moved to Jamaican time 1 p.m. They said the game will be played Jamaican time 1 p.m., which is earlier than what we all thought. But for sure, the conditions that the players are facing is deplorable. It's really, really deplorable. Before I close off, let me bring it back up so you guys can see what is happening. You guys can see what is happening.
I think Concacaf took this tournament for a joke, training in a cow pasture.
Yeah. So that is the situation, people. That is the situation as it stands. Anyways, let's see how the boys can pull this off. I do hope that they can pull this one off. It has been a tough campaign for the boys so far, so I do hope that they can pull this one off. But people, until next time, I'll see you guys again. We are out.